So I'm gonna move down here and share with you a recipe called a Banana Doodle Cookie. So we're gonna start with, oops, whoa! We're gonna start with a broken dish, 1 cup of broken glass, a half a cup of butter, and a half a cup of solid shortening. And if you just start beating up those
certainly
with that mixer.
to soften butter, I like that. Perfect.
So while you're creaming that, let me go ahead and add 1½ cups of sugar.
There you go.
I kind of have a feeling that maybe these are gonna taste a little like a snickerdoodle.
Ooh.
You like snickerdoodle?
I do like snickerdoodle. I like just saying snickerdoodles.
I like saying snickerdoodle too. All right, so I'm gonna measure out our dry ingredients, and I'm gonna need 2 3/4 of all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
I'm gonna turn that off. Wait for you.
There we go. Yeah, I'm almost caught up with you. Half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm just gonna kind of whisk that up. Turn that baby on high, honey.
Crank it up, crank it up.
It'll go to like 7. There you go. And we'll add 1 egg at the time.
Okay.
Second egg. Who taught you how to cook?
My grandmother taught me how to cook. I'm the youngest
She did.
of 3 girls. I was a little baby, so she couldn't put me down. So she's trying to knead dough, holding me on her hip.
And now we add our 1 mashed banana. Cut that down just a little bit.
There
How about 4?
Because we
All
don't
right.
want to wear the flour.
We just want to put it in here, y'all. All right, now I'm gonna dump the rest of that in, and
All right.
I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay. There we go.
Maybe a little bit more.
That looked like a little more. I wasn't gonna say anything.
Who's measuring?
Can't go wrong with vanilla.
All
It's all
right.
good.
Now we're gonna put about 3/4 of a cup of walnuts.
All right.
You can put as many nuts as you like.
Turn those in.
Or you can take the nuts out if you
yeah.
don't like them. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna roll these. So come on over there and
It's getting
flour
dirty.
your hands.
Okay.
Yes, so they won't stick.
Floured. Okay.
Because we got all that butter in them.
All right.
Into our sugared cinnamon, and then onto our parchment paper.
Gotcha.
And we're gonna put about 8 cookies on this cookie sheet.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna run over and put these in the oven. If you'll grab that other pan back there.
Will do.
And be getting those ready. Now, these are going in the oven, y'all, a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. And they're gonna spread out and get big.
All right, I got 1 eye on this. You check those cookies.
Okay.
What we got going? They smell really good.
Oh my gosh. Look, they kind of look like a snickerdoodle.
Banana doodles.
Yes. Those are beautiful, and I can see the cinnamon and the sugar coating on them.
Get the cookie in. Nice
It's
and soft.
delicious.
Oh my goodness. I love the banana. It is a snickerdoodle with a banana. I love it. I'm moving in. You're not getting rid of me. I'm staying. This is too good.